Now, as you can see, this flat iron has been through some things, and I didn't have this flat iron for 20 years and it's still going strong. Now, this flat iron gets super hot and it goes up to 30, which is like a 400-degree setting, and that's pretty much what I use on my hair. And the plates are still going strong. I wipe them off, every so often and grease them up. You can't even tell what the brand name is on this flat iron anymore. I didn't use this flat iron to death. Now I'm going to show you the results that I get from using this flat iron and show you how good it still works after 20 years. So I'm just going to add some of this. Normally I don't add grease to my hair, but today we're just going to add a little bit. right here, I'm shaking that heat out my hair because this flat iron holds a lot of heat and I can't be burning my fingers, y'all. It still get hot like I bought it yesterday, which is why it's still able to get my head nice and straight the way I want to. So hopefully we'll see how much longer it's going to last. Maybe another 5 years, 10 years, I don't know. We won't see together though. I'll see y'all later. Bye.